Hi guys, so let's see how to create a Bitcoin paper wallet. What you have to do, you have to just go to this website bitaddress.org. Okay, just go to this website. Now once you go there, you have to just hover your mouse randomly in random direction, random fashion, and after a few seconds when this reaches 100%, your wallet will be created. Your paper wallet will be created. I have created paper wallets using this and stored crypto. Then I transferred the crypto there to my exchange. Now this paper wallet has been created. This is your public key, which is like a bank account number. You can send it and show it to anyone else who want to put money in your wallet. So this is a bank account number and this is public, and this is the password of that bank account. This is a secret key. You should not show this to anyone. Okay. You can just click on print and you can save it on your computer or take a printout of this and keep it as your bank details. So this paper wallet, as it is free and it's very easy to make, it's a good idea to convert your crypto balance to multiple paper wallets. So you can, if you have, let's say, 100 bitcoins, it's a good idea to keep it in 100 different paper wallets, because every time you will try to transfer your wallet to somewhere else, you have to share your passcode to an online portal, and in that case you may think that your password may be compromised. So it's better to create multiple paper wallets. You can create this paper wallet also in a much more secure fashion using offline bitaddress.org. So how to do this? What you have to do, you have to just save this. Just save this web page, okay, on your computer, and then just take this offline to a offline computer not connected to internet. You can transfer this web page via a file, and now double click on it to open it, and now click on generate new address, and it will create a address and a passcode. Okay, you can always check the Bitcoin balance. Okay, just Google Bitcoin balance check and just paste your wallet address and click on show balance, and it will show you your balance. As I have created this Bitcoin address just right now, so its balance must be 0, but if someone send some BTC into it, it will show me the balance of this paper wallet. You should keep it safe from water, fire, and put it in a safe locker. Without connection of the internet, you can hold your Bitcoin. This is one of the oldest method to store Bitcoin. Thanks for watching.